When should I start looking at insurance rates for a property that I wanted to buy? Are you? Would you like to tell our friends who you are?
You want me to look at the camera? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm Mike Graybeal with Blue Marlin Insurance here in Jacksonville Beach.
And I am Chrissy Henry with Keller Williams in Jacksonville, Jacks Beach included.
The day you get it under contract, and that agent should be able to tell you what's required, whether you're going to need to get 4 points, whether you need to get wind mitigation reports.
How does the 4-point and wind mitigation help pricing? Like, what does it help and how does it help?
Roof is a big concern with insurance companies in Florida. The roof shape, the roof has Florida Building Code credits, but the main discounts here in Florida are whether you have hurricane clips, hurricane straps, double wraps. Most of the homes built in Florida prior to 1975 do not have hurricane clips or double wraps, which can severely affect your insurance rates. So
You add those after the fact, and if so, is it worth it?
Companies that have been popping up in the last 2 or 3 years that they actually go into the house, climb in the attic, and install the hurricane clips for you.
Okay.
It's more common down in South Florida where
Okay.
the rates are atrocious, but they're starting to pop up here in Northeast Florida.
Okay.
For instance, I quoted a house that was built in '68 earlier this week and did not have hurricane clips. And the homeowner's premium was probably $4,600 a year. And if the house would have had the clips, it's about $2,500 a year.
Okay, so significant.
Yeah. I know you're not going to start shopping houses by how the roof is shaped.
If you see that there's a flat roof,
Yep.
then when you're going to shop insurance, it's good to not be surprised when you see that it come back maybe is more aggressive than the other house that you were looking at with a gable roof.
Correct. Yep.
Missing shingles.
Missing shingles, excessive granular loss,
Okay.
lifting or curling. So the 4 points, they look at your roof, electrical, plumbing, and AC.
Major systems.
All the electrical, they want to make sure there's no aluminum wiring, no cloth wiring. The new thing that they're hitting on, which is probably been in the last 2 years, is the hot water heater ages.
Mm-hmm.
They don't like hot water heaters over 15 years old, most companies anymore.
That's a good one to be aware of as well too, because you think that if it's working, you don't need to fix it, but unfortunately from an insurance perspective, they want to make sure that they're not taking the liability for your old.
Yep, they're not as strict on the ACs.
Yeah, it's just big. The roof and the water heater are the ones that I'm hearing a lot of.
Yep, and people are being blindsided. So even if you don't call Mike Graybeal, call somebody that can talk to you and, ask questions. If you're not sure, look at the deductibles, look at the additional endorsements and coverages that are on the policy. Say, do I really need this? Can I lower this? There's ways to get the policy premiums down with deductible options, or if you want to lower certain coverages on your contents, there's stuff that we can do, but overall, you just want to make sure that the most important coverages are on there. So
For sure. Cool. All right. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Sweet. All right.
That's it.
That's it.